Welcome everybody to HTML lesson part 2, where we are going to insert the cells, table cells in the table which is already created in the previous lesson. As you see on this Microsoft Word, we are going to insert this data in our table which is already created in the previous lesson. So before starting, let us go ahead to show you what we learned before. These are what we learned, how to create the table by creating table headers and table name by using caption, right? So now before starting, let me show you how it display an output before insert record in our table, right? So you see, this is our table. We are going now to insert the cells or data in this table. So what we're going to do, we're going to create this table here. This one is what we're going to write by using HTML program, right? So after creating these headers, now let us insert our data by using table row, then table data, like this. So our first data here is C++, right? That's why we're going to write a C++ here. Table data now C++. You see, then we have also to cross our table data. This is the first one. Then for second one is what's called the progress. As you see, the progress, right? Here we have to put here the progress as our second data or record. The third one is 18%, right? So this is our first row. So to create the second row, let us copy this one and paste here, and you see for second we have HTML with progress and with 70%, right? 70%, but here was error is percent, right? So third one also we have the Java programming language, but it's not progress but waiting. See, and it's all about 0% because it's still in waiting, right? So the last one is VB.NET. VB.NET can create it by changing here VB.NET, like this. Also is still in waiting and has just 0% of achieved, right? So this is our table. This represents table, the low one, second low, third one, and fourth one. So let us save it and learn it to show how we display an output. You see, this is our table, which is composed by title, schedule, and percentage. These are data we already inserted. See this border which is displayed behind of our table is this one we created here and call it border which is equal to 5. For example, when you put here like 10, you see it will be increasing, right? You see, this is how we can use border to our table so as to make it very clear, right? So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one, where we learn about how you can insert the video and our HTML page.